Welcome to Japanese Cooking 101. Miso soup is a soup flavored with miso paste and usually includes tofu and vegetables. It is an essential dish of Japanese cuisine and comes with any traditional Japanese meal. We first posted our miso soup recipe soon after we started our channel in 2012, and to this date, it's still one of the most watched videos every month. We introduced some variations over the years, but today we will make a classic miso soup with tofu and green onions. We'll also show you our secret dish using leftover miso soup. These are the ingredients. We are using a simple instant dashi packet, which is very convenient and quite tasty. If you want to make dashi broth from scratch, go for it. You can watch our how to make dashi video for more information. We kept the ingredients simple today. The combination of tofu and green onions never fails, but you can also use other vegetable of choice or even add some meat. For more information and complete recipe, please visit our website japanesecooking101.com. Let's begin. We cut tofu into half-inch cubes. We are using soft tofu, but you can also use medium firm or hard tofu if you like. You can cut the tofu smaller or larger too. Chop the green onions. Green onions are very flavorful in soup, and you can also use it as a garnish. Next, we make the dashi broth. The instant dashi packet is so convenient as you can just put it in the water and boil for a few minutes. It usually includes katsuobushi, bonito flakes, kombu, or other umami ingredients. There are many brands, so try different kinds you find at Japanese market. Add the tofu pieces in the broth and simmer. Make sure to reduce the heat to low and dissolve the miso paste in the dashi. At this point, you don't want to boil it. Add the chopped green onions and remove from the heat. Miso soup is very easy to make if you have some key ingredients such as dashi, miso paste, and tofu. If you like Japanese restaurants miso soup, you will love this homemade miso soup even more.
美味しい。美味しいね。
Now, we'll show you a great way to make the leftover miso soup into a full meal. We add a little bit of dried wakame seaweed. You don't have to add it if you don't have it, of course. And drop an egg. Cover and simmer for a couple of minutes until the egg is cooked. And just pour it over a bowl of rice. This is the easiest and tastiest lunch ever if you have a leftover miso soup and rice. Next time you cook a Japanese-style dinner, save some miso soup and rice and give this a try.